Yay! Toy unboxing! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about 6 beautiful colors, and at the end, I'm going to have a special surprise for you. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here's how this game is going to go. I'm going to announce a color, and then you have to try to find it amongst these eggs. I'll give you a little bit of time, and then I will show you which egg it is. And at the end, I'm going to open up every single egg, and we'll see what goodies are inside. Okay, let's go. So, the first color is purple. Where is the purple egg? Here's the purple egg. Let's take a closer look. Whoops! Here is the purple egg. It's a light purple. Okay? Let's put these back. Oh my gosh, they went all over the place. Okay, the next color is yellow. Where is the yellow egg? Nope. Here we go. This is the yellow egg. So bright, I love it. Okie dokie. Next is green. Which one is the green egg? I'll give you a clue, it's the biggest one. It's this one! This big green egg. Okay, now we're looking for the blue egg. Where is the blue egg? No, it's not this, because this one is purple, this one's yellow, and this one is green, so I think it might be, yep, it's this one. Here is the blue egg. It looks like the sky on a beautiful day, doesn't it? Alrighty. Next, we're looking for the orange egg. Can you find the orange egg? It's not blue, not yellow, not green, not purple. Here it is. This is the orange egg. Okay, so there's only one left that we haven't talked about yet, and that is the pink egg. So, which one is the pink egg? Here it is, the last one. Beautiful rosy pink. Okay, so now it's time to open up these eggs, and I'm going to start with this egg. And what color did we say it is? This is blue. Here's something. Ooh, it's a frozen surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. Okay, first let's look at this paper that shows us all the possibilities. That means all the things that we might get in the chocolate egg. So here are all the characters. Okay, so this is what we got. Look, this is blue, just like this. Pretty neat. Okay. On to the next, I'm going to open up this one here. And what color did we say this is? This is orange. Oh, so here is a Kinder Surprise egg. Oh, fancy cars. Oh wow, okay. Fancy yellow car. Alright, so let's open up this egg. And this is what color again? Purple. Okay. Oh. Oh, I know what this is. This is one of those Skittles eggs. So inside we have 3 packages of the original Skittles. Oh, I can't wait to dig into one of these. You know what? Let's open up one right now. Look, it almost matches my nail polish. Yummy! There's some more in here. Let's open it all up. Come out, come out! That's almost all of it. This one's kind of stuck. Okay. Who doesn't love Skittles? Do you like Skittles? Because I love Skittles. Put this away for now. Okay. Oh, my things are rolling. No, I'm gonna put this like that. Okay. What color is this? It's pink. Okay. Another Kinder Surprise egg. Oh, this one's breaking apart. This is like a motorbike with a tiger face? Okay, well, let's try it out. Oh, all right, this is the most interesting motorbike I've ever seen. Okay, let's open up this yellow. Oh, whoops, I should have let you guess what color it is. What color is this? It's yellow. Yeah, I gave it away. And we have another frozen surprise egg. Okay, this is one of those snowman things. It's kind of weird looking. Okay, now we're on to the last thing, and what color is this egg? It's green. And I put some green grass in it too. Paper grass, not real grass. And here is a Hubba Bubba bubble tape in Gushing Grape. Okay, I'm going to take off the wrapping. Okay, let's open it up, and woo-wee! So much gum. Mmm. Yummy.